Hello guys, I am here with a new video for you, and it's the slight preparation of the onion peel, and we will observe it under microscope also. Okay, let's start. And the things which we required for it, they are: the first is we need one onion, and safranin, it's the stain, safranin solution, and glycerine, mounting agent, it's the glycerine. And the other things which we required: watch glass, 2 watch glasses, and this is glass slide and cover slip, dropper, brush, needle and blade. Okay, let's start. We have to peel out the one slice, and then we will take out a thin membrane from it. This membrane, it is very delicate and thin membrane, and the thickness is 1 cell thick. Now we will put it on the glass slide. Now we have to take out a small piece of it, so with the help of the sharp blade, and we will take out a small piece of the membrane. Okay, now transfer it into the watch glass. Add some water in it. Okay, now after adding the water, we have to add 4 or 5 drops of the safranin solution. This is a red color dye. We normally prefer to dye plant cells into the safranin, and we have to leave it in 5 to 6 minutes. Now this is ready to transfer into the water. Why we are transferring it into the water? So that the extra stain that will be removed. So excess stain will be removed and the slide will be neat and clean. Now we will transfer it into the glass slide. Okay. Now put 1 drop of the glycerine over it. Now it's the turn to put the cover slip over it. Now while putting the cover slip, we have to be very careful. With the help of the needle, we can put it over the specimen, and we have to take care so that the air bubble will not enter in it. Okay, if air bubbles are there, then we can remove it with the help of the needle, and if glycerine and extra stain is there, then remove it with the help of the blotting paper. Yes, this will absorb extra stain. Now the slide is ready to see under the microscope. Let's examine it. Okay, now adjust the microscopic lens, and we can adjust these clips so that this will not move. Now see how beautiful the cells are shown here. We can see each cell, it is also having one nucleus inside it. In most of the cells we are able to see the nucleus. Actually nucleus is present in all cell, but maybe कि in some of the cell stain लेने में थोड़ा सा time लग जा रहा है, तो you can see peripheral nucleus is there. Isn't this microscopic world amazing? Thanks for watching me.